The 13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
Welcome back to 13 on Your Side. I'm meteorologist Samantha Jacques outside on the weather deck this morning. A bit breezy out here and spooky in terms of how warm it is outside this morning. It's not very typical that at the very end of October we've got temperatures sitting in the upper 60s. But that's the case this morning, and that will linger into the afternoon hours. Now, that's cooler than yesterday's record-breaking warmth, which is why our weather ball is currently blinking blue as we have cooler temperatures in view, as well as some showers and weak thunderstorms in sight. So what's the weather impact today? We're going to remain windy all throughout the daylight hours today, and actually those winds are going to get even stronger into the afternoon. We're talking 35 to 45 mile per hour wind gusts. In addition to that, we will have a couple isolated to scattered thunderstorms in the forecast. Nothing too intense, and the best news about this rainfall is that it all wraps up before trick-or-treating. Now, if we have any outdoor parades today, though, at school, those are going to be contending with a little bit of wet weather. And temperature-wise, we will fall off in terms of our temperature profile throughout the trick-or-treat time frame. Low pressure system off to the west of us. That's going to continue to glide to the east throughout the day today, bringing us these chances for showers along with it. I will say the most intense rainfall is to the south of us right now, so we're kind of in this little bit of a lull. I do think we will have isolated to scattered showers. I just don't think we're going to see the most intense of that rainfall as originally expected. That happens from time to time. Hour by hour forecast here showing consistent chances for on and off rain between about 7 a.m. continuing on scattered until 3 p.m. It will not be a washout during this time frame. In fact, there'll be long periods of time where it's completely dry. It's just whether or not you want to play that game of a chance for a shower in there. This clears the region by 3 o'clock, and then this is when the winds really start to kick up. Winds are going to shift to out of the west. 35 to 45 miles per hour. Now, rainfall totals, we could still use more rain here in West Michigan. We were so dry for so long. We're talking maybe a quarter of an inch to a half an inch at best. And here's a look at those winds. Once they shift to out of the west, this is when they'll start to filter in a little bit of a cooler forecast heading throughout trick-or-treat time frame, plus the sun goes down, so that doesn't help us out much either. We see temperatures falling from 65 back down to around 54 by 8 p.m. Lakeshore counties today still highlighted in that tan shade as we have wind advisories at play. Northern zone today topping out in the mid to upper 60s. We're already starting off the morning to a very warm start. Rest of your 13 on Your Side 7-day forecast. Chances for rainfall do return on Sunday and then continue on through Election Day, so that's something you'll want to plan for.
The 13 Weather Ball is sponsored by LaFontaine Ford Grand Rapids.